Hello, this is a quick tutorial getting started with the Raspberry Pi. All the files and the software can be downloaded from the raspberrypi.org website. First of all, we need an SD card. I got a Raspberry Pi B Plus model, so I'm using a micro SD. I'm running SD formatter version 4. First of all, we choose the drive letter of the SD card. We enter the volume level. I usually do quick. Adjust the size. Okay, and let's format it. Yes, I want to format. This is the micro SD card after format. Now I'm going to open the zip files which I pre-downloaded from the Raspberry Pi website, and I'm going to drag it into my micro SD card. It is that simple. Is unzipping. Few more seconds. And guess what? It is ready. Oh, it's supposed to copy it. It unzipped it into a temporary place. Just a moment. It's going to be it finished. As we can see, this is the SD card. We are finished with the first part. Next thing, we're going to insert it into the Raspberry Pi. Let's boot it up. Connecting the power. It's booting up quite fast. That's neat. This is my wireless mouse. And let's install it. Yes. It's going to take it a while. 2.2 gigabytes. The speed of about 1 megabyte per second. I'm going to pause the video and resume it later. It is now on 19%, 16%, sorry. I guess that it is configuring stuff. And some more stuff. Oh well, moving it to pause again. We'll resume when there is something that is going on. And we got a message that the OSs were installed. Let's click the OK. And we will see what comes on next. It does a reboot. This is nice. Open kernel. Blah blah blah. And we got the install tool, the expand I do not need, change user password that we'll do later. Let's enable it to boot. Let's boot it up now. The username by default is Pi. The password is Raspberry. It's booting up. Now let's type start X. It is loading the GUI, the graphical user interface. Let's wait. It's loading. The mouse is functioning. This is the boot up. And we got it working. This is the Raspberry Pi. Now all I want to do is be able to go via VNC into the Raspberry Pi from my PC computer. Let's open up the terminal. It's loading up. Let's zoom in. Zooming in. And we are in Zoom. First of all, what we are going to type is sudo sudo apt minus get. We are going to install a VNC server called tight VNC server. So we are going to write install tight, small letters of course, VNC server. Okay, let's run it. It's working and it is done. It is asking me to install it. I wish to continue. Yes. Installing. Downloading stuff. And we got it. Unpacking, doing some more stuff. Let's zoom out a little bit. Working. And finished. Let's check it out, that it is okay. We are going now to write tight VNC server. We just installed it, it should work, hopefully. And it works. Now we are going to require a password. I'm not going to tell you my password, because I use it a lot. Okay, let's do a testing password, which I shall later change. The password shall be testing. Again. No, I don't want to enter a view-only mode. Remember, the password is testing. Let's declare a VNC server. Should call it VNC server, let's say 2. Max resolution I want. Oops, the number was off. Let's zoom in a bit. And the color depth of 24. Oh, I wrote something else instead of X. That should do it. We got now a view called number 2. Now what we can do is use a VNC viewer. Let's move to the PC now. I forgot something very important. We must also know what is the IP of the Raspberry Pi. As you can see, I type IP other show. My IP is this number, which I have to write on my PC computer in the VNC viewer. Now let's move to my PC. I'm using tight VNC viewer. I typed in the IP and the port, which is 2 as I declared. Let's do connect. It asks for my password. The password was testing for this demonstration, and we got the Raspberry Pi review. As you can see, it's quite nice. Got this on my computer or my desktop. Let's go to the Pi store for an instance. Not as fast as a computer, of course, but still. This is the Pi store. Lots of odd stuff that you can find over there. Let's exit it. And that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye.